Hello, friends and supporters. I'm back again. My name is Ricky Moses Joke. I'm from Arua Youth Development Initiative. I want to thank you for your ongoing support and also give you a quick update that we are moving well with the radio license process. And just this week, we have just cleared the invoice that the government issued to us on the approval for the transmitter or the transmission equipment that we will use. And also we are glad that we have been in touch with our supporters who are also radio engineers, and have supported us and have given us a complete list of the entire FM equipment that we need to set up the radio station. I want to ask you that we still have a shortfall of 5,000 US dollars to make us complete the purchase of the equipment, and we are glad that we have got a donor who is willing to pay for shipping of the equipment in country from the United States to Uganda. And we want to ask that you help us to meet this goal. Our target is to get the radio up and running within 3 months, and with your support we can make that happen. We are so excited that everything is come along together. It's not longer a dream, it is coming true, and we want to get the radio with you. We will go make that happen as soon as possible. Want you to take this and also share with some friends of yours who believe in this kind of community development using media, and we can get our radio up and running. We thank you for the support, and we hope you will stand with us. We keep giving you updates all the time on how things are moving. Thank you, and big up to you all.